Introducing the Circular Welder by Nikit Engineers, automation designed for industries where perfection isn't optional. This powerhouse system combines dual MIG torches with a heavy-duty rotary table and tilting mechanism, ensuring flawless 360-degree welds. With X, Y, Z, and R axis motion, 200 mm travel across every axis plus full rotary control, you get unmatched flexibility for complex geometries. Every joint is locked with accuracy using a pneumatic tailstock and 200 mm 3-jaw chuck, guaranteeing strength, consistency, and repeatability. From aerospace and oil or gas to defense, shipping, and semiconductors, this welder delivers results that push boundaries. Here's the finished component, clean, strong, and built to last. For welding automation that redefines precision, connect with Nikit Engineers. And don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe for more innovations in welding automation.